Can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? Good morning, my beautiful people. Let me see. Oh man, I feel like it's been forever since we've traded, huh? Every 3 day weekend feels like this. Every 3 day weekend always feels like this. Good morning. Let's see, who do we have? Who do we have? I need to pull up my. I gotta pull up this as my. My gappers first. My gappers, and then I can put my chart on the side. So, what do we got for gappers? We got HTCI. Oh frick. We got HCTI. Sorry, HCTI. We got BKSY. We got AUVI is up there, lower volume, but I'm gonna put it there just in case. And then MREO again. And it looks like that's it for those. So I'm gonna put this to the side. I got my YouTube chat open, and now I got my Tradecaster chat open as well. Let's see. Alright. Let's see, guys. I feel like it's been forever since we've done this, so let's do this together, shall we? Who do we got in here? We got Darth Trader was up here and earlier. Kieran rushing me like always. Joey, good morning, Joey. Andreas, Blair is back from his trip. Welcome back, Blair. SD T99, good morning. Amber, good morning. TS84, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Let's get this going. Let's see. What was our first one? HCTI. You got to give us something good today. HCTI, high of 1.8. Has pulled back all the way to 1.4. I'm going to put alert above VWAP. Leave that one there. And then put it on my side chart. HCTI. Done. Did. Next. Done. Did. Next. Next one. BKSY. High of 2.8. Ventcat is in here. Morning, Ventcat. Welcome in. Welcome in. Ventcat has a higher high of 378 not too long ago. Was that within the last 5 days? No, it was not. So this is the high of the last 5 days. Oh my god, missed it even though I was present. Haha, what's good, Juan? Welcome, welcome. Good morning. Good morning, Ape Shades. Check on Mario. Yep, I look at that one too. So I got BKSY as well. So BKSY, I got HCTI. Let me see. AUVI was also on here, but I am not liking this one. AUVI has a high of 4.2, so I'm gonna put an alert above 3.5. And if it gets triggered today, great. If it gets triggered in 2 years, I'll look at it in 2 years. MREO had the nice run on Friday. MREO had the nice run on Friday all the way to 1.6 and then hit a new high. It looks like pre-market, post-market, pre-market, I think. I can't even tell. 175. So that's still a cheap stock. It's the only thing I hate, but it looks good so far. So alert above 1.6. Right at 1.6 on MREO, and let's see. Now, is there any continuation plays from Friday besides MREO? Do we got, let's see, GBT, I don't know what that is. Delete. Laboo. Laboo's up here. Over on YouTube, we got Soldier TV Juan. What are you trading today? I got HCTI, BKSY, MREO so far, and now I'm looking through see any of the previous ones from last week to see if there's any good continuation. So Laboo doesn't look that bad, but that is a previous high, 7.3. So I'm gonna leave that one there. CCL, no, SESN. Andres, you had a swing trade on this one, right? And I think you said you bought it at like 68 cents. So at one point you were up to almost $1, but it looks like you pulled back. But pretty good. You still should be in profit. I think it was you, Andres, right? Fold. No, I'm not looking at that. SCO. Nope, not looking at that. SGen, $170 stock. Nope. Yeah, I had 10K already sold. Nice, man. Nice. All of these I'm going through. I'm not liking anything. If I do, I'll call it out. Oh, this one doesn't look that bad. RYTM. I'm gonna pull an alert on this one above 4.5. See if we get a $5 touch again on RYTM. So I'm gonna leave that one there. ELMS. No, that's a cheap stock. BLBX. No. Reb somehow hit another high, but this is the one that burned me. I think this is the one that burned me on Friday, right? I mean, nothing happened on Friday. Forget about that. Nothing happened Friday. Friday was a good day. Friday, I enjoyed the rest of my day. So we'll just see what happens here. Mentality, guys. Mentality. Everything is emotions. Looking to re-enter today. 75 seems a solid level. Looking for $1. SIDU. SIDU has a high of 922. Pretty good green candle today. So this even looked like a break a downturn probably. That's probably why we started rallying. Yep. So now we're on an uptrend on SIDU, so the SIDU could look good. So SIDU is on a uptrend now. UAVS. Okay, I'll take a look at that one. UAVS trying to stay above that $1. UAVS trying to hit that $1. UAVS trying to hit $1, so let's put that on our side. A, no, what was it called? UAVS. I got dyslexia, boys. Just kidding. Just kidding, just kidding. Maybe do, maybe I don't. I don't know. So let's see how the overall market is, because I think we are rallying. So SPY is tucking in above that channel again. So if we hold this channel, we might get back up here again to that 390s, almost $400 levels, but I don't know. I don't know. Things could still get worse, and this could just be a fake. So everybody tries to buy this dip and tries to rally it back to the top side, and then instead just flushes down. So I don't know. I think I put, let me see, because I know I'm down on that. I put like $200, $300 on a little bear market rally. It's definitely a fake. I think so. I think so. So we'll see. We'll see. I still have like 200, $300 on calls or puts for TQQQ, so I am down like 60 bucks on those. You still holding that put? Yep, I am. It's down $62, so it's not that much. But I'll hold it. If I lose the 200, $300, I'll be okay with that. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. So it looks like that first stock I looked at, HCTI, is coming back a little bit. It looks like it got sold off a little bit. So it's trying to get back to that VWAP level, but the only thing I'm not liking is all of these stocks are pretty cheap and moving pretty slow. Maybe besides BKSY. BKSY you can get, oh no, it's still 10 cents. It's pretty big, pretty far apart. So we either gotta average up on our share sizes and try to get 5 cents instead of 10, or see if we get a really big move, but we'll see. How's everybody's weekend? What'd everybody do? Anything exciting? Anything tedious? Anything annoying? Anything happen over the weekend for you guys? Waited for the stock market to open for real. Felt like forever. SYM could be a mover with it being a newer IPO. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Thanks for sharing. Let's look. Let's look. Oh, definitely. Oh, sweet. Damn, this was at $9 and came up to 29. I'm definitely gonna put this right here. And this is a volatility that I like. $29, $27, $26 right now. 27, 28, 29, 30. Opens up real quick, real fast. You missed your entry on that break and retest of 24. Oh yeah. Perfect. Perfect resistance right there, $24. Clean break over it, close above it, micro pullback, retouch 24, and rally. Good morning, Mercer. Good morning. Good morning, Mercer. So I will keep an eye on SIM as well. Just got back from vacation. Where'd you go, Amber? Amber, where'd you go? I think Blair just got back from vacation too. I think I just saw him comment on here. I'm pretty sure I said welcome back, Blair, too. So I think he's in here somewhere. I thought I saw his name. Blair, yeah, Blair's back. Awesome, awesome. We got a little bit over 2 minutes. In the forest, meditating, no screens, no trading. Planning your trades. Anyone else's stream messing up, or is it something on my end? Oh man, not this again. It seems fine on my end on my laptop, because you always watch it on my laptop, which is a completely different thing. So it really might be on your end this time. It might be on your end, might be on your end. Must be my whack internet. Well, play it safe, if your internet's messing up. Labu. Is that the one I was looking at earlier that I kept an eye on? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on that one. High of 5.7. I do want to keep an eye on Labu. I noticed it earlier, and high is earlier at 7:25. CryptoWire, good morning over on YouTube. Timothy, how's it going? Pretty good, man. Pretty good. This one has that 180 moving average at 620 as well. So keep an eye. Oh, it looks like it just pulled back. Oh, it didn't quite yet. So I'm gonna keep an alert on this one at 560. So anything above that. Actually, I might look at this one and mark it open. So we got HCTI, we got BKSY, we got UAVS. SYM is a recent IPO, a kind of higher price, $26, but it's got room to $29.30. And then Labu is the one that I'm looking at on my chart right now. So 20 seconds until we open, and then we got market open today, Tuesday, June 21st. What else is June 21st, boys? HCTI. Let's see, HCTI. Looking at HCTI. Looking at HCTI. HCTI. Why did SPI hit a mark? I didn't realize I had an alert on SPI. Actually, SYM, that New York IPO that somebody just shared, is also trying to make a little rally there. I have my eye on SYM and HCTI right now. You guys see me? You guys see me? You guys hear me? Something happened. Something happened. What happened? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's happening? That one might have been on my end. Sorry, guys. SYM. I'm liking this little bit of a dip on SYM. I don't know if this one can keep squeezing, but I'm liking this small little dip on SYM right here. Nice little, almost like triple top right here at 27 bucks. I see the stream now. You're good. Your stream stopped for a second. I lost connection to a free refresh browser. I see it. I see it. Mersa, thank you, Mersa. Appreciate it. Appreciate the happy birthday, man. Let's try to make some money today. We gotta make some money. I do like SYM. I do like SYM. So let's see how SYM keeps playing now. Let's see if we hold this $27, $28. Labu is spiking. Oh my gosh, this is the one I wanted to look at. But SYM is spiking as well, so it looks like Labu might get halted, but I want to look at SYM. See if we hold this $27. It's 27 and a half. 27 and a half. Nope. Also, BKSY is trying to make a push right now. Okay, I'm going to replace this one with Labu right here. Did anybody actually get that move on Labu right now? Let's see if we get the break of $6 on Labu. That could be the next little bit of a squeeze here on Labu. Let's see if we can keep rallying up and get a nice little push here. 581. Broke it by 1 penny, so that's not a strong move. Still opening up a little bit. There we go. There we go. There we go. I took really small trade share size on that one. $23. BKSY is the one that's now moving up. So let me go look at BKSY. SIDU is spiking. Let me see SIDU. SIDU is the one that I noticed was on an uptrend now. So let's see if we can keep watching SIDU. BKSY is the one that's going to hit a high probably. High of 280. Let's see if we get a nice little pullback here on BKSY. I want this one to pull back a little bit. Oh, Labu fell all the way to the bottom. So did SYM. Dang. Amberg, happy birthday. Appreciate it, Amberg. Appreciate it, man. Did anybody get that big move on Labu at first, though? Labu could still be a good trade, and then BK is wise. So I'm watching both of these right now. So Labu seems like it wants to hold this move. So I'm going to go back to Labu. And then Labu, we want probably $6 break on this one. So it's pulling back all the way up above that 577. Let's see if it holds that move. Hey Blair, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Oh, that was a big flush. YMM. I don't remember setting an alert on that today, so that must be an old alert, but let's go look at it. YMM. No, I want to see Labu hold this 570 again. There goes BKSY. I knew that one was going to break. Pull back. BKSY maybe hits $3. BKSY maybe it can squeeze to $3. Can we get $3 on BKSY? Can we hold this 2.8? Maybe take a retest of 2.8 real quick. Nice little pullback here maybe. Let's see if we get a nice little pullback here. Small little add there. And then see if we get a small little pullback here. And then add more. Holding this little pullback here. Holding this little pullback here. Maybe add a little bit there for this break. Let's see if we get this break of 290 now. Let's see if we get this break of 290. Oh, as soon as it hit that top, it pulled back. Here we go. Can we start opening up? There we go. Can we break the 290? Can we break the 290? And with 7,500 shares, can we break this 290? There we go. There's the opening up 290. Now I have 6,000 shares left. I have 6,000 shares left on this one. Put a stop loss above break even. Nothing to lose. Come on. Give me a good happy birthday gift. Give me a good happy birthday gift. Come on. Up to $3. Up to $3. Up to $3. 292. Come on. This plat. Nobody's nice to me. Nobody's nice to me. Nobody's nice to me. Come on, man. Made $100 on that move, even though I had 6,000 shares ready, locked and loaded to go to $3. Could have made a little bit more money there, but did not work in my favor. So nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Take the trade again if I see it. Can't get upset about it. You know, it just happens. It just happens. So let's see, what else do we got? What else do we got? Maybe this one still has that move, but Kevin, appreciate it, man. Appreciate that. Happy birthday. Ape Trace 24 profit. Blair up already on the green again. There we go. Looks like we all made some money on that BKSY play right there. I want to look at Labu. I want Labu to make a nice little move. High of Labu is 584. Very nice green candle right here. Very nice green candle here, moving right back up. So break this downtrend right here, and then if we get that break of downtrend, get a retest, maybe add on that play there, and then see if we can start opening up on this one back up to 5.9, maybe $6. So looking at LABU. Looks like SYM, that New York IPO play did not work out. It looks like HCTI also didn't work out. And then BKSY, we were able to get one small trade in there. Had pretty big share size for runners, but got stopped out. Always stop out or break even or a little bit of profit before you. What scanner do I use? Jelly over on YouTube. I use Trade Ideas scanners. You guys can see it on my screen. I pay about $100 a month for those, and it's free for you guys right on my screen, and that's all I use. So right above my head is the momentum scanner. That's the one I use when market opens, and the ones to the right of the screen are the ones that are my gappers. So still looking at happy birthday, Juanito. Where's the party at, Darth Trader? Appreciate it. TS84, appreciate it. Trader Dad, appreciate it. Sniper Traits, appreciate it, man. Oh man, BKSY failed. This is why I take my profit on BKSY, right? I instantly put that stop loss at break even or a little bit above break even, and then I see what happens afterwards, right? If I get stopped out, that's fine with me. But look at that flush on BKSY. I'd rather stop out at break even or barely make any money than to be caught in that move right there. So looking at LABU again, trying to break this downtrend right here. Beastie over on YouTube. Good morning. Appreciate it. I said De Herrera over on YouTube. Good morning, man. Looking at Labu. Looking at LABU still. High of 584 and then breaking this downtrend right now. Breaking this a little bit of a downtrend right here. Let's so CLVS. Somebody saying CLVS. Oh, CLVS. Pretty nice move here. I still want to see if LIBU makes a nice move. I might start scooping some shares down here somewhere or something. Let's see if we start opening up just like that. Very small share size, very small share size. Let's see if we start opening up though, right up to 584 and then see if we can get a new high. There you go, 5.8, hitting 5.8. Here we go. I might just put a stop loss. Man, this platform, man. Why can't I put a stop loss? Okay, it's just not working, man. Tesla's on a big rally today. Oh my gosh, CLVS. Did you get a trade on CLVS? Timothy over on YouTube. Happy birthday. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. CLVS. Did you get a trade on CLVS, Darth Trader? Oh, this is that move I was telling you guys right here, right? I'd rather stop out at break even or above break even than to always risk it and hope it comes back, because then something like this can happen and that could definitely just take you out for the rest of the day. So, -1. I like that. Negative. Bitcoin is moving with SPY. Bitcoin went down all the way below 20 bucks. Your birthday's tomorrow, Vic? Awesome. Awesome, awesome. And thanks for the happy birthday, man. Thanks. So Labu broke this downtrend and never really started opening up. This right here should have been the move right back up to 584, 590. That should have been the move right there. Perfect entry on CLVS was a break and retest of 145. Yep, right here. That would have been the perfect entry. You're right, you're right. Tesla is really on a nice move. SIDU, Andres calling out SIDU. SIDU and LABU again. LABU. LABU again. Can we get above this 5.8 level on LABU? Can we get above this 5.8 level on LABU? Bought that dip way down there, and then bought that little flush on LABU, but it flushed right after I bought still a little bit more, so we'll see. 571, so I'll stop out below that. If I get stopped out, oh well. I'm gonna get stopped out. Wow, I literally saved. It literally didn't trigger my stop by like a 1 penny. Now can we get a squeeze after that little false? This might be good. This might be good. Look at this. That is a birthday gift right there. Right there, boys, is what I call a birthday gift. That is what I call a birthday gift. Well, if it squeezes, but my price is 575, so okay, bottom of that candle's. Oh man, this platform is so. I'm gonna have to buy a freaking GPU, guys. I just have to. CEAD, CEAD. There's a lot of stocks today. People missed the market yesterday. CEAD, nice move here on CEAD. Nice move on CEAD. Where's $2? $2 is the next level, right? Can we start opening on CEAD? This is very good right here. What is this candle's volume? 703,000. I like this. Pull back a little bit. Maybe get us a little nice little dip entry somewhere in here. Small share size, 2,500 shares. Let's see if we just start keep opening up on this stock. We're trying to hold this 164 level. So I jumped in on this one right away. Let's see if we can keep this continuation. Right here, high of this one is 165. Pulled back to that level. Seems like it wants to hold that 165, which is where I tried buying. Got at 165.6. So just a little high of that candle right there. Let's see if now we can start opening back up to 172, 18. There we go. There we go. Nice little move there. Maybe start taking some profits right at that double top right there, 160.72. There we go. What a nice move. Who called this out? Who called this out? Was that you, Mursa? Was that you, Mursa? Let's see if we can keep opening. 75. Rake of 75. We squeeze to 180. Quarter. 75 right there. Can we break 175? 76. 77. 1,500 shares left. 78. There we go. Can we keep moving higher? Can we keep moving higher? 178. Can we get 180? Can 179, 180? There it is. Now we start pulling away. Take a little bit more profit out right there. Have 1,000 shares left. Lock it in at above break even and enjoy the rest of this trade. Just let it pull away. Just let it do its thing. If it comes back, stops me out, I'm fine. Right? SIDU came back and stopped me out. There it is. $134 profit. I take Venmo. It's all right. Cancel it out with my birthday gift. We'll just shake it. We'll just shake on it and call it even. All right. Sounds good to you. Sounds good to me. Someone said it looks like Charmeth took Bitcoin public. Yes, back. Still no trade for me. Looking for quality sniper trade setup. Sniper trade. Still looking for a setup. LABU could be a nice little squeeze if we get through this level here. We've gone back and forward here. 5.8 has been up here. So we'll see if we can get that break. How did SIDU play out? Did you take a trade on it, Andres? SIDU is the one that's on an uptrend now, so let's see if we can also open up. I'm gonna put out another alert on LABU again at 570. See if we get the break of 570 up here again. CEAD looks like pulled back, but now it's trying to get back up again. Look at LABU. This is what I'm saying on LABU. Look at this attempt again at 5.8. Still holding SIDU. Andres is holding SIDU. What's your cost basis, Andres? Timothy, I don't know if I said thank you to your happy birthday message on YouTube. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Just 1K shares. Okay, averaging in your positions. Start slow and average in. Average in. I like it. So still looking at CEAD. Came back and stopped me out, but it's actually still came back up. I think I stopped out on this candle here, which kind of sucks because then it came right back up and started opening up again. So let's see if we can. Happy birthday. Appreciate it, Debbie. Appreciate it. How many So I've traded BKSY, CEAD, and LABU. Green on all three of those. Not so much profit, but still green on all three tickers so far. So let's keep watching. Let's keep trading. CEAD could still get a move to $2, so I'm watching CEAD. Happy birthday, Swole Granny. Appreciate it, man. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for all the happy birthday wishes. Y'all are awesome. Y'all are awesome. Appreciate you guys coming in here and watching. So, um, CEAD. I'm trying to see if we can get a nice little pullback ad on this stock, and then see if we can start ripping again. Let's see if we can get a nice little dip here. Pull back a little bit, and then see if we can start rallying back up to $2. Average small share size on this play here. See if it starts holding that 175, which is what we couldn't get over. Now I want to see if we hold it. Now I want to see if we hold 175. So we closed below 175 there. So I might stop out right there at a little bit of profit. Stopped out right there at a little bit of profit. High is 184. Let's see if we get a nice green candle back up and then a little pullback and see if we start pulling away. This is what I want from this one. Now we just need a market to provide some gifts. For real. Well, it already did. I had a trade on LABU and I put a stop loss and that would have been like a... Oh, look at LABU. LABU can make a nice move right here. LABU, if it gets above 580, can get 584 and then hit $596 hopefully. Let's see LABU. Let's see if LABU wants to treat me nice again. I want this one to make a very nice move. What was the other stock I was looking at? CEAD, right? LABU. Can we start moving up higher on LABU? This is the level right here. There we go. CEAD. I'm gonna go back to CAD and take a trade on CAD instead. If we get this nice little rip through 184 on CAD. I'm looking at CEAD. LABU wants to hit that 584 and CEAD wants to hit this 184. Both of them stuck to 84. Both of them stuck at 84. I don't know which one to look at. I don't know which one to look at. DXB Jamie. Hi everyone. What's up? Welcome in. Welcome in. CLVS is U-shaping back up for the next like CLVS. I want to see if CEAD. Let's look at CLVS. Oh, you're right. You're right. It did already. A really nice curl back up again and back to the top. Did you get a trade on that one, man? I want CEAD. I don't know why. I feel like CAD's got a new high right here pretty soon. I think CEAD can get a new high. Let's see if CAD holds this pullback here. If it holds this pullback and recovers, it can look good. Maybe, maybe not. Uptrend is pretty far off on that one. How's CLVS looking? New high here on CLVS. CEAD, yeah, I do think CAD can get a new high. We are holding that. Oh, we were holding that 171 level until just now. CLVS kind of pulled back here, right? Double top the tops at 165, and then pull back. I'm really tempted to buy that pullback just because of that strong double top. We closed at the top, and then wait for this candle to recover, and then a new one. Oh my gosh! Did you guys see HCTI? Did you guys see HCTI? Look at HCTI. Can this move actually recover and hold? Look at HCTI, man. This move is not gonna hold. Bang. This would have been clean if this closed high. Those are my favorite. Out of nowhere, just take those right there and you chase them. Oh, I like those. I love those. How's everybody doing today? Who's taking trades? Who's not taking trades? Who's in the green? Who's in the red? Anything. Let me know. Anything. How are we doing today, guys? CEAD, I have a feeling CEAD has a play. CEAD can get a nice move, so I'm going to keep watching CAD. We also have uptrend on CAD, so if you get a nice little flush down to that. Still waiting for something you like. Still waiting for something you like. I like it. I like CAD. I like LABU. I like them both. Tesla is still on that giant rally, man. CAD, this looks like a little downtrend right here again on CAD, so let's see if CAD can hold this. LABU just tipped 584 again, it looks like, and cannot break it. So I figured on that one, when I got that move right here, and this is something you guys will have to learn right here, this move right up here, it should have broken that high within some of these candles right here. The fact that it didn't just tells me there's a lot of shorts, there's low volume, nothing there to trade yet. So then at that point I left it alone. So now I'm looking at CAD, and I want to see if CAD can do a break of this little downtrend and then squeeze through 184 and then hopefully $2 and see if we get a big trade through there. So I'm just saying that watching and learning to get back into it in the next few days. Nice, Amber. Nice, nice, nice. Any questions? Let me know. Any questions you got? Let me know. Anything, anything. So LABU after that double top of 584 now is pulling back. So no trades there. Momentum scanner is picking up Neo. I'm not gonna day trade Neo. And then Tesla all the way from 664 to 710 today. Anybody holding some Tesla? Some Tesla calls? No Tesla calls for anybody? Those are expensive, so I wouldn't even buy Tesla calls. SIDU, Andres. SIDU is also just consolidating, man. Now, for Tesla, I guess you could, since Tesla's on a very good rally. Juan, on OBS, is there a way to only record a small section of your screen? Yes, but you have to kind of play with it. Yeah, price is compressing. Big move could come. IMTE. So, Ape Treads, there must be a way to like crop a certain place, and I think I have done it before, but I don't remember. But the way I do it is I just make several different display captures, and then I just zoom into whatever I want, and then I just fix it on the screen. That's how I do my TikTok. So I don't necessarily record a section. I just record the whole thing, but then I layer them as on top. So I'm still watching. I'm still CEAD right here. CAD. Nice little move up. 184. Can we break 184? Can this move hold? CAD breaking that downtrend. There we go. Let's buy a small little bit dip here. Let's see if we break. There we go. There we go. So much lag, man. Can we go up to $2? Can we go up to $2? If we keep holding this move, we could see $2. So I might be looking to add on this play. I might be looking to add on this play here. Let's see if we can get a nice little dip and then rip to $2. We got 9 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if we can get a nice little dip here. Let's see if we can get a nice little dip. Oh, what is that? I mean, I wanted to add bigger share size, but I'll take the clean trade. Still holding 1,000 shares on CEAD. I bought that breakout there, so finally I get back into a buying high and selling higher. So still holding 1,000 shares. Not that much on this stock, honestly. So waiting to see $2 is around the corner, so $2 can definitely hit after we're holding that move. A Reb is shooting an alert. I don't know that I want to trade Reb. We'll see. This needs to open up and it'll hit $2 for sure. Can you start opening up? 195. Can you get, there we go. 196, 197, 198. Take some profit up there at 198. Can we hit $2? $2 will hit and maybe $2 will hold right to the penny. But can we break $2 and then it maybe 210? Probably not on this stock now that it's losing its momentum, but I still have 500 shares left, so let's see. I held that move right there, 191, 192. I kept 1,000 shares. Why? Because $2 is around the corner, right? Look at this right here. Look at this right here. Look at this, 198, 199, $2. Take, oh my, did you see that? Did you see how I said if $2 breaks, it'll make a nice move to 2-1? Where did it pull up to? Where exactly did that pull up to? Where exactly did that pull up to? I'm fully out. $300 on that trade. $300 on that trade. Jesse, I got him. LOL, so late. Jesse's got the Tesla calls. What? Oh my. Oh my. Oh my gosh, Jesse. Mad. 47 on CAD. Made. Oh, I was going to say, CryptoWire typed the mad and then $47 profit. I was like, what you mad about, CryptoWire? She tried putting made. She tried putting made. Now, on CAD, now that you got that clean trade, $2, you're looking to hold $2, right? So you are holding $2. If you keep holding $2, you could see that next leg up, but I'm fully back out. So let me see. I think I missed some comments. So Vic said scale up to 1K shares, $70 loss, not bad. Tesla, you could make so much cash with calls or puts. Take slightly further out of money plays for moves like this. There's that next leg up. See how you hold $2 and then you rip higher? Ape Trace again, $15 profit. Ape Trace has destroying the market recently. Martin said, yeah, some volume and she rips. It did. It did. Look at that volume come in. Look at that volume come in. And look at that clean rip after the break of that downtrend. I chased this one at a break right there. Why? Because volume came in. 184 was a high. I took that trade right at 184, it looks like, probably. So buying high, selling higher, right? Let me see. You're not going to show my trades? It's not going to show my trades. It doesn't want to. It doesn't want to. Doesn't want to. CLVS, I just saw it. Maybe curl back up, but no, not really. Let me see. You were up 140, then a blink of a second, I got 80. Hey, at least you're green now. Oh, there it is. 183. Got in right before that break. Got in before the break on that one. Andres, $740 profit on CAD right there. I know that whenever you want to click show your trades on Thinkorswim, it's like, yeah, if it wants to, it'll do it. If it doesn't want to, you just sit there like trying. You're back in on CEAD. Okay. Back in on CAD, said Andres. I'm going to wait a little bit. I would see if I got another attempt at $2, but this looks familiar to that trade I took on Friday that burned me, right? So you're hovering above $2, and I two candles tipped the bottom, and then once it hit $2, I tried getting on that dip, but because this was kind of the support, as soon as it hit $2 or whatever that price was that on Friday, oh, nice move. Again, nice move. Sniper Trace took a trade there as well. Sniper Trace is fully out of that trade. 201 to 215. He took a trade at 201. Why does he take a trade at 201, guys? Why does Sniper Trace take a trade at 201? We know that that $2 was a psychological resistance, right? When I said I wanted $2, it went up to $2 to the penny and stopped. Why? Because that's where shorts have their entry short, right? That's where they want to come in short. So if you break $2 and you push them off by 1 penny, now they're not in their comfort zone, right? Now you're squeezing them out of their only resistance support. So 201, if you take the trade above that, you're likely to see a nice little move. I wanted to add heavy on this play. I wanted 10,000 shares right here when I said I want that pullback at 1.9, maybe 186, 87. I wanted to add 10K shares and I missed it. Andres made another $240 on that move. And look at this squeeze now. Look at this move now. Beautiful trade, Sniper Trades. I got 5 different calls on Friday afternoon. All are doing great at the moment. Up 40% on the Tesla one right now. Dang, you're killing it, Jesse. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job, Andres, on that one. Good job, Sniper Traits, on that one. Good job. I think Aper Traits took that one. Vic took that one, maybe. I made a little bit on it. I also got out a little bit early, but nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. I only had 1,000 shares, so I never even got to average in fully on this one. I wanted this dip right here. I wanted a small little dip there because nice green candle through that resistance. I wanted a small dip, and I was going to add 5 or 10,000 shares on that play there for the next move up. So that would have played pretty great, but oh well. We don't always get all of them, right? So I'm good. I'm good. Blair is still up $32. There we go, Blair. This one's still going to keep moving. 250 would be the next psychological half dollar. So watch 250 and see how it reacts around 250, right? 244, 245, 245 still. Watch this, watch this. 246. I might get a pullback here if we can tip 245 if this candle closes high. For sure I want it over that 236. Well, that was my dip, but I missed it. Same thing with a $2 trade. You could take a trade at 251 possibly, but let's keep watching. I wanted a retest of that 236. There we go. I want to see if we hold 236. I want to see if we hold that 236 level. I want to see if we hold that 236 level and then get back up to 250. Let's see. Let's see if we hold that 236. We have a very nice squeeze, right? There we go. One candle closed above 236. One candle closing above 236. One candle closing above 236. Can we get the move back up? Doesn't look like it, so I might stop out. Scratch trade there. Actually, I might have lost 20 bucks. I don't remember what I was up. I forgot. I forgot what I was up. Technically still holding, but I saw a lot of red on time and sales, so I decided to get out. Now up $50. Good job, Blair. Good job. If this keeps holding 236, then this could make a nice move higher again to 250 and maybe get that break of 250. So let's keep watching. Here we go, climbing back up to 250. This is a nice candle here. 7 seconds left. I don't know how I feel about that. So I'll rather. Overall down 100 on 1,000 shares. There we go. CAD still looking to see if we get another trade. Look at that nice flush and then recover, right? Right over 233 again. Look at this move here. If this holds, next candle will definitely rip through 250. Let's see if we get a nice trade here. If this candle holds, next candle can rip higher. Watching CAD. I want this candle to go back up to 233 like that. There we go. Close there. I don't know, man. The stock is like, look at that close. It's like right below 233. If you ever doubt a play, don't take it. See why? It closed below 233, barely, but that little barely made me not take that trade. That little close right there below 233 made me not take that trade right there. Look at that. Sniper trades have his entry at 251. Free trade here for you guys. Stop in 238 area and price target 265, 280. So there we go. Free trade plans right there, guys. The Green Goblin giving his free trade plans. Appreciate it, Sniper Trades. Blair says CLVS. This one's lacking a little bit of volume that CAD has, so. ¿Cómo hacerte entender? Rev is moving up. Rev is the one that killed me on Friday, so let me look at it. Oh wow, but this is a high. That was a high right there. Did you chase that one right there? If you chased that one, good job. You take your profit fast though. You take your profit right at that break, right at that new high, right above the high. You take your profit fast, but this would have been a nice trade down here, right? So you have this flat top right there. Look how clean these these confirmations are, right? You have a flat top right there. You have a nice green candle here with more volume. So this is the volume of that candle compared to the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, less volume right there. And then you get the break of that flat top. You get it close above that flat top, and then you get that micro pullback right there. So this is your entry right there on that red play. Okay. Well, you get it next time. You get it next time, Zach. You'll get it next time. I want CAD again, so I'm going to keep an eye on CAD because this one can get a one candle move right back up to that 236, 233 level and then give me a little dip to take a trade. So we'll watch CLVS again, Blair. CLVS again. There we go. Now that's a better move on CLVS. I'm going to leave that one alone though. I want CAD. GGPI moving up okay. GGPI, let's look at that. GGPI moving up decently, like a volume there. I want CAD. This is the one that everybody's watching. I want this 236, 233 level again to hold and take a trade from there to 249, 250. Half a dollar right there. If we can get a nice squeeze. CAD, here we go, CAD. Right back up. Look where it's stopping at. Look where it stops, 233, right? Look where it stopped, 233, right? Look at that. 234 now, but we need to get over this, close above, and then see if we can get a trade with a nice little micro pullback. Not the best close. Buying that little bit of a dip there. As soon as I buy, guys, my platform just gets so laggy. Holy crap. God, it's so frustrating, guys. Up $60 on this trade. I'm going to hold it a little bit. See if we get this break of 236 and then right back up to 24. Here it is. 234 right there. 234 to the penny. Can we break this break of 234? Can we get the break of 234? Stop loss right below, so if I stop out, great. But if we get this 234 break, we might get 245, 250, half dollar right there. So let's see if we get the break. I see time and sales slowing down a little bit, but pretty nice close up there. Don't stop me out here, please. Stopping me out. Look, a little bit of profit there. So that was just a nice green candle there to 234. A little bit of pullback to try to retest at 234 and break it. So I didn't get the break there, but nice little scalper there. I was up 60, 70 on it at the top of that, so I didn't take my profit. I wanted to see if it would run off all the way to 2.5 again. So I just kind of let it play out, see what happens. So CLVS again, Blair, or whoever was calling out CLVS, another high there, but that one's kind of tricky. So it hits a high and then pulls back all the way, and then hits a high and then pulls back all the way, and then hits a high again, and then pulled back a little bit. So you're not really hitting a high, small pullback, hitting a high, small pullback. Here's a break of 236, 234 right here on CAD. Oh, and now you have to play my favorite songs too. Here we go. 236 is where we stop. Nice little break of 236 there. Let's see. Watch this one now. CAD. Can I get a retest of 236? If not, look how it tucks below 236. I don't like that. Deck shorting CAD at 234. That's the exact same level, guys. Exact same level I'm looking at. But sorry, Deck, I might make some profit off your shares. Give them to me. Give him to me. Give him to me, Deck. Give him to me. Nope. He won. He won. He got me this time. He got me this time. But I didn't jump in on it because I was waiting for that confirmation, right? I was waiting for that confirmation. He jumped in on it. Good morning, Alex Gasca. Any trades so far, Juancho? Heck yes, any trades. Of course, any trades. I got Labu 35. I honestly don't even know which ones I've traded. BKSY 110. CEAD $300. Man, only up 10 today now. Did you lose it right there on CEAD Ape trades? Was it that move right there? Because I'm looking at that 236 level right here. At first I had that 234, 233, but either way, none of those moves had a candle that closed above it, right? None of those moves. None of those moves had a candle close. Could that have been a fake? Could that have been a fake? Is this going to turn back around? Look at that 236 again holding. Let's squeeze Deck. I like it. Let's do it. I do like this play right now. That nice recovery off that bottom. I do like that. I do like this. I do like this. We got to get over that 236. 236 and we squeeze to 250 for sure. And then 250, obviously, 250 is going to be shorts. If we get to 250, this can start opening up. Let's squeeze Deck. Let's squeeze Deck. Let's squeeze Deck. Come on, come on. I want to wait for my confirmation. I'm not going to jump in stupidly, right? Let's see. Let's see. Now we're going to have this too, though. Okay, okay, here we go, here we go. 236 breaking right there at 237, hit 237, but we're not holding. This candle's still staying below. Here we go, here we go. Come on, volume. Come on, volume. We got 30 seconds left on this candle, so you got plenty of room to get up here all the way to 240 and close high. Nope. We are forming this little pennant here, so I might even try to take a stab down here and see if we can find some support down there again. It's hard to squeeze Deck when he's got plenty of shares to short. Tesla is still rallying. Tesla definitely a nice move today. Let's see if we can get average down. Wow, I got filled high. Okay. That's the bottom of that pennant is where I jumped in. I tried at least, so let's see if we can open up again. Look at this. Look at that time and sales beat green. Look at that time and sales get fully green. Did you guys see that? That time and sales flashed green, and then we started ripping up. Look at this move right here. Back up to 236. Back up to 236. Can we get the break of 236? Again, 237. Here we go. Watch this 237 break. Close above. See if we can get a nice little pullback. Holding 1,000 shares down at 229. So I'll put a stop loss if I break even again in case this flushes. In case it flushes. But let's keep watching. Let's keep watching. Very nice dip trade down there. I tried getting it down here, but somehow got filled high. As soon as right before, okay, I stopped out on that one. Dang, this stock has a lot of shorts and buyers. You guys see this action right here? What does that tell me, guys? What does that tell me? It's going to move big one direction. It's going to move big one direction. Again, just this right here is this down here. Same thing, same pattern. This right here is this right here. What happened? Squeeze. What can happen? Squeeze. What was above that? What was above that pattern, right? Psychological whole dollar, $2. What's above this pattern? Psychological half dollars, 250. Oh my gosh, Labu hit a high of 1 penny higher. Still waiting for this trade. Still waiting to see if this trade plays out. I bought a dip on the bottom of that pennant, and then I tried taking some breakout trades, but let's see. Now we're getting to the edge of it, which looks a little bit better to me because now that downtrend is going to match up with that 237. So it's not like I have to close above 236 because then there's still that. Here, if I get above those, both of those, and close above, then I'm above two resistances already. So that'll be better. So I like it even more. I like it even more. I like it even more. They're trying to flush us out of this pennant right here. Deck is probably adding to his position. He's trying to short it a little bit more. And look at those buyers step in. Come on, get it one nice three clean break to 337. Come on. Bottom of that pennant again. This support right here. Can we hold it again and then squeeze through that 237 on the top side? Here we go. Look how we hold that bottom pennant again. Look how we holding that bottom pennant. Feel comfortable. Feel good about this. Now 237, 236. Come on. This is what we're waiting for right here. Sniper trades needs to get filled in at 251. Sniper trades got his order ready at 251 up here. Can we get him filled? Can we get a nice move? This is ridiculous, guys. I keep repeating myself just because the same thing keeps happening. You guys are like, shut up, dude. This is pretty crazy, honestly. It's just consolidating right here. Let me readjust my little pennant right there. There we go. Alright, now can we get the break? Now, I mean, even 233, all candles are holding 233 still. Look how no candle has closed above 233. Do you guys see that? Wicks, 236, 37. Candles, 233. Here's a break of 233 right there. This candle is now finally above 233 again. Can it hold 233? Here we go, 236. There we go. 237. Here we go, here we go. Now we start opening up. Can we get this nice push here? We got to squeeze him out, right? We got to get a clean rip through. Just like that. Now where's my entry? Close high on this. No, it's not going to. It's going to flush. Be careful, guys. Be careful. It's going to flush. See? It's going to flush. This is one that I could have ventured short. The second that candle spikes up and stayed down here, I knew that thing was going to flush. I knew that thing. Yeah, I didn't take that trade. But as soon as that candle popped up and body of the candle stayed right below here at 237, I said this thing is going to flush. So being patient and picking my trades, didn't take that trade. Why? Because that candle popped all the way up here, and that candle came down. The body of the candle, even though it hit a high of 244, the body of the candle went right back down and hovered right at 237. Even though we squeezed that 237 level, we came right back down and hovered it with that same candle. So no trade there. I'll put an alert here at 238 again, and then just forget about this one for now and see if we come back to it. So momentum scanner's picking up TECL. Let's go see what nope, not even gonna trade that. We also got DVA that was halted and resumed DVA. So, oh, it halted to the downside though. from $91 down to 79. So Reb is trying to hold that 445 level. You just now broke below it, so be careful that on Reb if you're trading Reb. Besides that, guys, now this is the time about 9:30, an hour later, an hour after market open, where you're sitting around. You're like, okay, what do I trade now, right? So we had CAD just now. CAD, you're looking at a trade above 238 again. 238, you start holding 238, 239 with a candle close above 237. So look right here. I wanted a candle to close above 237, so 237 is right there. No candle closed above it, right? So we may have caught him off guard on this one, but no candle closed above it, no trade there. So left all of that move alone. So this one, again, 237, I might take a trade there. Let's go back and look at the other ones. LABU, this one you can tell is shorted. Right, so you got 584 was your high, and then you tipped 584, and then you hit a high of 585 and pulled back, and then once again 585. So you're hitting 4 highs on the day, and all within 1 penny. CLVS is the one that's making a nice move now. Blair, did you keep trading CLVS? Now this one right now is making a nice move, but I want you guys to know the difference between this. So watch this. You get a clean move up, and then you pull back, right? But then you get a clean move up again, but you're barely any high from here to there is barely any difference, right? And then you pull back, and then another clean move, and once again, barely any difference from here to here, right? That doesn't look as healthy and as strong as this. Look at this. One clean move up, move down, and then a little bit bigger of a gap here to that next high. Look at the difference on that one. And then look at the difference of this one all the way up to here, right? So this is something pulling away, taking shorts out. The other one is just rallying up to new high, just barely touching a high and then pulling back. Right here. Which is why also I'm not going to chase that. Like, I'm not going to change this. Why? Because this probably doesn't have the room to do this. This probably has the room to do this, and then this, and then this, and then this. And I do not want to trade that, right? CLVS will go to $2. Let's see. If this starts opening up, yeah, it can. So what have I traded today so far? I have traded BKSY for $100, CAD for $330, and then Labu for $35. So what's up, Kawal? What's up, Kawal? Welcome in. How are you doing, man? How's your weekend? How's everybody's weekend? Nobody told me anything interesting y'all guys did this weekend. Nobody had nothing interesting this whole weekend. You did a little bit of fishing, Zach. What'd you go fish for? I don't know if you've been here long enough or not, but I am a big fisher, man. I'm a big fisher. I like fishing. You just played football. Oh, that's fun. That's fun. Mowed the yard. Is that interesting? I also mowed the yard, man. I feel like I'm mowing the yard every weekend now. Like, it just grows so fast. Cammy loves you. Also back from a long vacation. So we got a lot of people traveling in here. Is this the stereotypical rich traders who we just travel and trade on the go? I think so, right? Blair did that. Cammy loves you did that. Somebody else just came on back from Amber. Was it Amber? Came back from a vacation, also making millions of dollars while on vacation, trading on a laptop and then coming back. You got snagged. Sniper Trace is going to Italy for 3 weeks in October. Dang. Cammy Lizard said we're trying. Yeah, we're all trying. We're all trying. We'll all get there together. All right, all right. I'll make sure we all get there together. Together. I'm not gonna single-handedly take all of you guys up there, but we're all gonna learn from each other and get there. Oh my gosh, Zach. Zach, where did you go fish? I just like bass fishing. Jesse over there on YouTube's like, that's. There we go. There we go. Fishing. Jesse over on YouTube showed me some pictures of some striped bass. Man, those things were huge. CLVS is making that move 187, so $2 will be the next target on CLVS. Now this move is different than these moves, right? This is one I like. This is one I like right here. $2. Whoever called that $2, you're right. You're right. I take it back. Keep dropping, keep dropping, keep dropping. It's like as soon as I buy it, tanks. Added small share size. Let's see if we can keep climbing back up. If this doesn't even hold this level right here of 186, I'm out. If it doesn't hold that level 186, I'm out. Just call it a lost trade and move forward. Right there. If it doesn't hold that level, I'm out. $100 back. Look how it just flushed right to 186. I tried getting in somewhere in there and pulls right below that level. I'm out. Why? Because now this is going to be as resistance. So look where it comes up to again. Look where it comes up to right again, right? That's why I got out real quick. Yes, I was in the Florida Keys for the last week. That's like a bucket list trip right there for me. Marlins. Still looking at CLVS will come back up and hit that $2 mark, so we'll see. You did a bunch of college tournaments, nice. I fished a couple college tournaments too, but not really. I mean, I fished probably like 2 or 3. CAD held VWAP. You're right. You're right. Now Mercer's looking for that. Mercer's looking for that. Oh, look at CLVS now. 193 double top. Can we hit $2 on this one? Might take a trade there for the break of 2. My screen is just frozen the second I buy, guys. This is so dumb. Taking some profit there at 2. Can we get the break of 2? Same thing as earlier, right? 201 breaks, we squeeze. 201 breaks and we get a squeeze. $2 breaks, we get a squeeze. Here we go, here we go. Green on the tape. Green on the tape still. I'm holding. Here we go. Breaks. Takes them off. That was a weak break, but I'll take it. I'll take it. This move is holding, so let's see if we get a little opening up through that 201. If we get that 201 to break, we'll definitely squeeze up another 5-10 cents. Watch this. Watch this. 201 break. Green on the tape right there. 201 to the penny. 201 breaks, we squeeze. There we go. There we go. Did you guys see that? 201 breaks, we squeeze. 201 breaks, we squeeze. I was down 100 on this stock. Now I'm up $60. Now I'm up $60. 67, 66, 62, 67, 68. Look at this nice move. After that $2 breaks, guys, same thing. It repeats itself. One stock to another. Look at that. One stock to another. From one stock to another. Same thing over and over. I could do this all day long. Same thing at CEAD, guys. Same thing at CEAD. Why did I buy so high at 196, right below $2? I bought 5,000 shares, right below $2. Why? Because if I get the break of 2, if I hit the touch of 2, I'll take half. I took 2,500 shares at $2. I left 2,500 shares for that next move through the $2. We got the move to $2, a little bit out, a little bit out. This candle hit 201 and held that move. It didn't pull back. It just stayed right there. What is that telling me? Buyers are backing up that level right there. I'm going to fully get out just because I have 100, 200 shares left. Perfect day, man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh my gosh, Andre! It's like I make some money and then I look over and Andres is like, bro, I got more money than you. And then I make money on CAD and then I look over and Andres is like, bro, I made a little bit more than you. And then I make money on CLVS and I look over and Andres is like, bro, I made a little bit more money than you. Come on, man. Good job, Andres. Good job. Who else caught that? Vic? Sony said, great call, bro. Appreciate it. Oh, that's Sony. Never mind. It looked like Vic's picture. It looked like Vic's picture. CMRA. CMRA. Oh my goodness, what is this going to? Oh, this looks great. This looks great. Why? Because that high right there is 5.4 is the previous high. 5.4 is the previous high. 5.4 is the previous high, and we have an all-time high of 11.44 on this stock. This picked up volume so fast. Candle 200, 300,000 volume on this one. We're going to get the birthday lotto. CMRA, who caught the break of 5? You barely moved up. Well, I guess 13 cents, but still. And actually, CLVS is still going. 215, 216, 217. Look, 18. Look how it pulls away after those half dollars, whole dollars. 19. CMRA has that high of 5.4 from less than 5 days ago, which is what I mainly look at right away. And then you do have the all-time high of 11.44, so this one could be good. Look at CLVS, guys. Look at that clean squeeze through $2. Oh my gosh, look at that. I called it. Look at that. 210, 220, 230, 235. I got out too early, huh? I got out way too early again. What do you think about CEAD? CEAD has to break downtrend. So CAD has to break downtrend first. So we got this point there, and then drag it out a little bit, and then wait to see even those body candles. You see how those body candles match up right there? I would wait until the stock gets above that, somewhere in this area, and then see if you can ride it back up to a new high. And it's a strong move too, not just anything that gets over it. But CMRA would be my top stock now that I'm looking at. First thing would be $5. I want to hold $5. You see how we got up to $5. We got a break of $5, but no candle held $5. So anybody heard the term liquidity trap? What exactly does that mean? I have not. Look at Tesla, guys. Yep, yeah, you're right. Right now is lunch hour. Right now is danger zone. Right now is downside zone. Then right now it's play it safe zone. Right, for sure, for sure. I was down $100 on that CLVS, and then I still played the same play. I still played it aggressive. I even played more aggressive. I think I had 2,500 shares down here, and I played it more aggressive up here at the break of $2. Why? Because $2 was right there. So I took 5,000 shares down there. Up 78 on CLVS, up 328 on CEAD, up 35 on LABU, up 110 on BKSY. That's 4 stocks I've traded today. 4 green tickers. 4 stocks, 4 green. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going, guys. I don't even know what red is. I hate the color red. Honestly, I do. I think red is the worst color on Earth. I hate the color red. If I was colorblind, it could pick. Ooh, I'd pick red. I don't want to see the color red ever again. That way, I trade. When I trade, and I don't see red, I'll never know if I lost money or I made money. Everything's just gonna be green. Even if I lost money, it's just gonna be green. Just kidding. That's kind of dumb. It's kind of funny too, though. CMRA looking for that trade over 5. Sony, man. Sony keeps destroying the market as well. Made some pretty good money, so congratulations, Sony. Welcome in. Thanks for stopping by, man. Appreciate you've been coming in here recently, so I appreciate you guys coming in here, saying hi. And it's my birthday, Sony. It's my birthday, man. Oh no, Crypto Wires red on the day, down $20 on CEAD. It's okay, Crypto. $20 is not much. $20 is not much. Millie is up $11. There we go. Oh shit, happy birthday, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Sony, save some cash for the rest of us. Kawao, happy birthday. Abdel, happy birthday. Thanks, guys. Thanks. I take Venmo and PayPal, by the way. Savvy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. Donick is up $70 on CAD. Cammy, happy birthday. Appreciate it. Rosando, happy birthday. Awesome, guys. Awesome, guys. Clutch Straits, happy birthday. I gotta take some videos of this. This is awesome. I see CMRA. CMRA, I want it to be over that $5. That's where I will start looking at it. We had some very nice volume come in through here, right? So look at that volume bars at the bottom. Look at that very nice volume here. And as soon as we didn't break 5 on this candle, everything else after that, look at that volume die off. Look at the volume died off right after we didn't get $5. So what's going to happen? If we get over $5, everybody else is going to start piling back in, right? Holy crap, Tesla's making a nice move. Jesse, are you still holding your Tesla calls? CryptoWire, happy birthday. Appreciate it, CryptoWire. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Kawhi, thanks for those happy birthday things. Venkat, thank you for those happy birthday little emoji things. Awesome. Feliz cumpleaños, Juanito. Gracias, gracias, Rosendo. Happy birthday, Juan. Nice gift to be green. Heck yeah, man. Should I just pull out whatever I made today and treat myself for a nice birthday gift? Just kidding. The next thing I need to buy is a GPU, and I hope that if I do get a GPU, I hope it does mess up this lag, because the second I'm buying, it just lags. Jose Gomez is up $85 on the day. Dang. Look at that. No break of 5 and pulling back, pulling back. Labu is the one that keeps hitting highs, but, I mean, 184 pulls back. 84 to a penny pulls back. 185 new high pulls back. 186 or 85 again pulls back. 186 pulls back. 186. Like, this is just like to the penny, just non-stop getting stopped. Oh, Darth Trader. Actually, I don't know what that liquidity term means, so. Jesse sold his calls at 712. 60 profit on the day. 60% profit on the day. Closed most of the positions a minute ago. 860 profit today. Good job. Good job. Look at Labu now. 587. 587. Look at that. CAD is holding that. I am not. Okay, good. I was making sure I wasn't muted because I muted it for that video earlier. CAD is holding that VWAP again. At VWAP right there. CAD held at VWAP, and we're still getting close to that downtrend. So keep an eye on that one. Whoever was asking me for CEAD. I got a little Snapchat happy birthday little thing. Snapchat sent me a happy birthday thing. I was watching it. It's a bunch of animals singing happy birthday. Oh, this song is so fire, man. Labu high of day. I'm not gonna trade Labu. Labu has been trading sideways all day and barely making any highs. It might start opening up, and once it does open up, then you'll see a move like this, right? So you get this looks like Labu right here. Block or just look at this. Just look at this, and this looks like Labu, right? High, pulls back. Barely a little bit higher, pulls back. Barely a tiny bit higher, pulls back. Barely a tiny bit higher, pulls back, right? And then you open up, and this is where there's no shorts. This is a move you want to chase. Now that you see that you really got out of them right here, little bull flag right there, and then I jump in for that break of two. So I'm buying higher and selling higher. So this like looks like Labu, right? So Labu. Well, actually, now it's starting to open up, but you need those candles to rip. Reb. Reb, you want it above 4-5. Look how clean this is. Resistance, support, resistance, right? I want it up on the top side. I'm picky about my trades because that's what I know what I want. This is what I want. I want the stock up here. And honestly, I've lost a little bit of money on Reb. I think Friday was my look at CAD. This is that break of downtrend. No, so yeah. Let's add small share size here. Let's see if we get a nice little move higher. Break of this. Look at how bad that lag is, man. I couldn't even zoom up. I couldn't even zoom up with 500 shares. I cannot take big share sizes like this. Wishing you a bullish birthday. I've never seen that. That's awesome. That's awesome, Zamoni. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. I got in very small share size on CAD. Break of this downtrend and retest right there. See if it holds it. If it doesn't hold it, I'll stop at. If it holds it, we might be looking at another nice little move to the top side. So let's see. Let's see. This is break of downtrend right here. Look at that. There we go. Look at that tape. Look at that green tape. Oh no. Look at that pullback. I might stop out at that retest if it fails. There we go. What's the low of that candle right there? Low of that candle is 216. So what I'll just do is put 500 shares and stop out at 215 and then call it a... Why couldn't I stop out? 215. Why couldn't I stop out? There we go. So I'll put a stop loss there. If I lose on that trade, oh well. If it comes back up and starts rallying, holding this uptrend, then we can look back higher. Zamboni, appreciate you, man. Thanks for those bullish birthday, because today is definitely a green birthday. Last year June was a good month for me, and then somehow on my birthday was one of 2 days red all of June. 2 days red all of June last year, but today, green day today, so I'm happy. CAD, what is your stop loss? I put it at 215 right now. And I got stopped out. MULN. Oh, very clean move on MULN. But low volume. Now let's see. Look at Labu now. I don't know what to do, guys. There's no way all these charts are making this much lag. It has to be something else. Wow, Tesla with a nice move today. So Tesla, you could have had a very nice long trade right here. Look at Tesla. So we saw very strong momentum today, and then we consolidated sideways, right? So draw that trend line resistance right there. Once you broke that trend line, once you retested it right there, that could have been a very nice Tesla trade right there. Yeah, see that? And then now, if you want to short Tesla, since it's on a very nice move, wait for the break of this downtrend somewhere around here. Wait for the break of this downtrend. Once you get below it, and then you can short Tesla there. Let's see where even this is pulling up to. So let's watch. Let's see what the high of Tesla can be. Let's see if we can nail a high on Tesla. Oh wow, we are really high on Tesla, guys. I want to buy some puts on Tesla. What do you guys think? Some puts on Tesla at the top trend right there? Look at this. 3 points right here on this top trend line. Let me zoom out so you guys can see it a little better. What do you guys think right here? Look at this. One touch there. One touch there. Two touches there. And we are very close on that third touch today. What do you guys think? A nice little healthy pullback? Because I think so. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Because I'm thinking I'm going to buy a put. Let's do a put for what? This Friday or next Friday? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Back down. First of all, let's see what our level could be a pullback to. Let's see what our pullback level can go to. Maybe the retest of that 180 line, so 691. So maybe 700s to retouch 700s. What do you guys think of this put? What do you guys think of this put? Next Friday? Next Friday is $700 put. That's gonna be expensive. Let's get 2400, 2600 put. Or should we buy cheaper ones? Should we buy cheaper ones and see if it happens? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I think this will pull back. So let's do a 680, 2300, and I'm probably just gonna buy one. Let's see if I get filled towards the bottom of this put. Filled. I am shorting Tesla. I am shorting Tesla. I want to see Tesla crack down. I want to see this pull back now. Did I get him for... I got him for next Friday, right? A week from now? July 1st. Yes, next Friday. Alright, look at this Tesla chart. Let's look. I technically could have waited for a little bit of a better play, but find the actual break of downtrend right here. But I want to see if this pulls back. This is pretty overextended. If this pulls up here and still holds this top level, I'll be fine. If it starts squeezing through that, then I'll have to call my loss. Which one are you saying? Which one are you saying? You're calling out MREO, MREO. MREO is trying. MREO is trying. My Tesla put is already in the green. My Tesla put is already in the green. Up $30 on that Tesla put. Can we pull back a little bit? I want to see this stock reject that top of that trend line. So as far as low cap penny stocks, I think MUNO CAD I think is done. We tried getting that break of that uptrend right there and then pulling back. And then CLVS also, we got super overextended that we gave back a lot, and now I think we're gonna be pulling back on that one. YMMM no, CYM SYM was our IPO play. Let's see, MREO is trying, but MREO has low volume right now, and our obvious target is still pretty high up, so no trade there. And then we got AUVI no, BKSY failed. Hey guys, I'm out following my new rules. No more trading past 8 a.m. I like it, Blair. I like it. Setting your rules and sticking to them. I like it, Blair. That's what's going to make you a successful trader, Blair. That's what's going to make you a successful trader. Thank you, Blair. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Oh, no problem, man. I like doing this. I like helping you guys. I like teaching you guys. I like learning from you guys. Heck. So let's see what else we have. Reb over that 4.5, then maybe, but I really don't want to trade Reb. CMRA over $5. CMRA also over $5 would be the next play. So besides that, I think we're done on the low caps. So almost tempting if it comes back up for to short or to go long. To short or go long. To short or go long for Reb. Because this stock is pretty beaten down, I will say. From $17 all the way down to $1. Tesla, look at this Tesla play right here. Crack of that downtrend right there. This is what I wanted, right? This is that crack of the downtrend right, the uptrend I mean, uptrend right here, support, support. Now we're breaking below it. I want to see if this down, look at that fade after that crack of downtrend. Look at that fade after that crack of down uptrend. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Keep falling down. Now, I'm okay if this candle closes there, gets a nice retest there, something like that, and then keeps pulling back, and then keeps pulling back. Or just flush down, baby. Just flush down. Just flush down if you want. But I'm going to let this play out. I'm not going to take profits too early. Bad thing is I only have one put option because they're so expensive. So even if I can't take profits and let the others run, right? It's just got to do its own thing. So we'll see what happens here. This is a break of that uptrend, though. So still comfortable as long as we hold below that uptrend right there. Selling pressure is going to come in here as well. CEAD still trying the break of that downtrend. I see that. It got over it once and then tucked below it again and then got up again now. And now it's seeing if it can hold it again. ADN reclaiming VWAP. The heck, idiot? ADN is trying to reclaim VWAP. What is ADN's high? What's our target on ADN? What's ADN's high? 448 and we're at 320, so we're a little sold off on ADN. I would like it to come back a little bit. CEAD, you're in with 30,000 shares on ADN. Okay, okay. You're waiting for this to, let me see. You think a move, well, you're at the downtrend right there as well. You're waiting for that break? Anticipating that break, holding VWAP? What's your target? What's your target? A new high, a break of downtrend today, keep rallying today. What are you looking at? Let me see. Actually, a good play on this one would have been the break of this downtrend right here. Here, let me mark that there. So it would have been pre-market today. Look at that downtrend break right there. Oh, look at that Tesla still holding that trend line. I'm just kidding. I don't want to overtrade. Okay. Got it. We do that sometimes. I don't want to overtrade today either. So let's see actually what my profit is for today. I'm thinking 400 bucks, maybe 500. Monitor account statement. Go ahead and export file. And let's save this file right here. Go over to my trader view, which I actually need to open. Trader view, open trader view, import trades, browse, select the file that I just selected, 621. Oh, what a beautiful number combination, 621. I love that. Oh, $517 profit today. Here we go, guys. Profit for today, 517. Friday, I did take a loss of 1,100, so I'm okay. I'm okay with that. But Thursday, 700. Wednesday, 700. Tuesday, 760. Okay, I'm fine. We don't need to stress about losses. It's part of the game. I've had way worse losses. I just got to come back and start fresh. Brand new day, right? Why do you do that? Why do you do that? I'm chilling. Buyout rumor for MREO. MR, I think it can rally up again. You think MREO can rally again? What is MREO's previous stock price looking like? 274 is his high. This one can make a nice squeeze. 274 is his high. So 274, it's not that much higher. So this one definitely's got some room. Who's buying this or what? What even is this company? Miro Biopharm. So a pharma company. Power hour today. What about ADN? Would it even have held your VWAP play? It's still trying to hold that VWAP on ADN. ADN, the entry would have been the break of this downtrend over a day and a half, right? So that high of 448 came down. You're still respecting this downtrend here. Not until you broke that downtrend right there. Then you could have been looking for that long entry there. Although it's pre-market, so that would have been hard. But CEAD is still now breaking that downtrend. CEAD. I don't know that CAD's got the power to come all the way back up to 250 though, but we'll see. Breaking up downtrend here and holding it, so. CMRA is going back up to $5. CMRA might be the more interesting one. CMRA back up to $5 could get interesting. If we start holding $5, 5.4 is our all-time high on CMRA. This one I definitely want to look at if we get over $5. Look how sellers don't even let it get close to $5. AZN is the one put a bit on MREO. Alright, bro, I'm done for today, fam. See you tomorrow. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Thank you, Sony. Thank you. Appreciate you coming in here. Stopping by. And definitely see you tomorrow or next time you pop in the stream. So appreciate it. Everybody else on Tradecaster or YouTube, what else? Are you guys still trading something? Are you guys still looking at any particular trade you want to see if it plays out right now? CMRA might be my top one over $5. I might look at see if we get a trade in there. Other than that, I don't know what else. CEAD broke that downtrend, but it's still up there, so it's not really taking off. CLVS pulled back. Labu actually ended up climbing to that $6. So I mentioned that once you have all of those small little breaks, you're not chasing anything, but once you open up, then you can get a next move. So it actually did end up moving them up again. Besides that, SYM or IPO didn't hold. CEAD is slowly climbing. Jess Bronstad, thank you, appreciate it. Thank you, appreciate it, Thanks for stopping by. So CAD did break that downtrend. We failed this one time, but this second time we did hold it, and now we are moving higher. So we'll see. Paulina Spani, happy birthday, pa. Gracias, gracias. Thank you, thank you. What a nice day to be green today. Nice day to be green. World Clean Trades watching CAD for a move in a couple hours or so. Yeah, CAD definitely is holding VWAP. That's a good thing for one. Holding VWAP, and then that downtrend. Now we're above that downtrend, so this could be good for CAD. We just need volume on this stock. We need it to come back down. I mean, come back up. Come back up with volume. CMRA is trying to get that $5. It doesn't even come close because people know that $5 can be tricky. If we get up above $5 and hold it, they know if we get up above $5 and hold $5, this can get interesting. They know, they know. All right. So no more trades. I don't really see anything obvious for me right now. I'm still holding that Tesla put, so being careful with that one. Trying a little bit more of swing plays, trying a little bit more of option plays. So I shorted Tesla up here in this area. Why? Because I was anticipating the break of this downtrend, and then we got one very clean move, another break of uptrend here, and then another clean move. And if I look zoom out to the 90 days, we have double resistance up here where it's at. One is this nice little point here. There's one point right there, and if you swing over to the right and connect it to this point, that is exactly where this third point is going to match up, which is exactly where we are today. A little bit lower, but right there pretty close. And then I kind of just drew this one here as the support, become resistance, maybe resistance again up here. But we'll see. We'll see. If it goes against me and gets above this trend line up here, then I will call it and get out of that trade. But other than that, I'm gonna hold this. I still think a nice little healthy pullback to that $700 range can be possible. Any questions? Any concerns? Anything you guys have for me? Any questions on YouTube? Anybody over there as well? I'm serious. I don't care if you're a first timer here. I don't care if you have a beginning question. I don't care if it's anything. I am here to help you guys. I do this free. So profit and loss for today, I am up $517 today. Up $517 today. So I traded 1, 2, 3, 4 tickers, and I was green on all 4 of them. So one of them was, let me go back, and CAD was my biggest winner. CAD was my biggest winner right here. So I had a trade through the this little break of downturn right here. So I started averaging in here. I think I took a trade right there to that $2. And I don't know if I added up here. So let's see if it shows my trades. This is all up to Thinkorswim if it wants to show it or not. If it wants to show it or not. There we go. Oh, look at all these buys and sells. Look at all these buys and sells. CMRA. CMRA. I do like CMRA. There's a break of $5 on CMRA. Buy that dip down there with 500. Only 500 shares. Let's see if we can get up. There we go. Look at that. Look at that nice move again. Let's see if we get the break of 5.4. 5.4 is our break, right? 5.4 is our break. Take some profit there at 5.4. 5.4 is our target. I mentioned if I get a trade through that $5, I will take a trade if I get through that $5. If I get a trade through $5, I will take 5.4 is our high. So this could do a nice little squeeze if we break this 5.4. If we break this 5.4, this could look good. This could look good. I'm still holding 400 shares. Still holding 400 shares. Did not jump in aggressively. I only bought 500. Already up $500 on the day, so I'm going to play a little bit safer, right? If anything, I'm just going to do this to protect myself right now. Oh, there we go. Can we get that move through 5 and create a new high? There we go. Take a little bit out on the other side. Let's see if we keep squeezing. We're holding this move still. Stop loss above break even. Right there. Can we get this next move? How do you start to chart your support and resistance at the beginning of the trading day? A lot of the times, most of these moves, I already have them because it's previous resistances. So I'll show you why I have that 5.4, which is pretty easy. I'll just look at the 5 chart. I might fully get out of here and lock these $92 or 83 if it decides to pull back as soon as I buy. So, hey, thanks Jess Bronson for calling that out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I said break of 5 and I'll jump in on this trade. Break of 5 and I'll jump in on the stock. So, why did I say that? If I just zoom out on the last 5 days, at this stock, so yesterday it was all in this area, right? Yesterday was all in this area, nothing there. Previous day all in this area, but look at that high up there, right? That right there is exactly at 5.4. So that is what I'm looking at. So I'll just basically, I already had it for whenever I was trading this day. I already marked that high and I have it there. And this day I'm looking for a break of 4. If it doesn't happen, I still have that high because that is the highest high we have, right? So all in this area, no trades there, no trades here, no trades there. Today we start opening up and I see that 5.4 is right there, right? So 5.4 is our all-time high on the last 5 days. So, let me have my YouTube chat. Hey, Crescent Moon. Nice comeback from last loser. There we go, there we go. Oh, another high on this one. So 5.4 was my resistance. If we get over 5, 5 is a psychological number right before 5.4. So if we get that, then we're good to go. And then this is still wanting to take off. 5.50 right here. Can we break this 5.50? 5.51, there we go. Missed that trade right there. I missed that trade from 5.50 all the way to 5.70. Why psychological half dollar, right? What's the next psychological half number? $6, right? $6 would be next. And this stock has a high of 11.44. So I'm really curious if this stock opens up, if this stock really opens up and then keeps pushing higher. I love trades like this. Continuation plays one of my strategies too. There we go, Sony. Nice, nice. So yeah, quick break of 5, retest. Obviously, you're not going to get a clean retest all the time of $5. So in that scenario, we didn't get $5. But I jumped in on that trade somewhere in there and then took another $83 profit. So I jumped in at 5.11. That bottom of the candle is 5.05, 5.06. So now, thanks for calling out CMRI. There we go. Did you get some money on that? Try it over on YouTube. Now what do I gotta do? I gotta go and import my trades again. I gotta go and import my trades. I actually didn't even call it. Jesperanza over on Tradecaster called it out. So thank you, Jesperanza. You made me an extra $83, and you also made Triath Trading on YouTube some money there. It sounds like. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Now I imported those, so I have to go back to TraderView, go to Import Trades, go back to Browse. So you guys see what I do. 621 right there. Open, upload, and then go back to Journal right there. And now I am up exactly $600.94 on the day. $600.94 for my birthday sounds incredibly amazing. The only thing not working with for me right now is my Tesla put. So got you beat, Juan. Nice, nice, nice. Kawal, good job, bro. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Happy birthday over on YouTube. Thank you, appreciate it. Sniper Traits, what's your profit for today, Sniper Traits? What are you at? 800, 900, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 50,000, 30,000, 703. Nice. You got me by $100. You got me by $100. Just got here. What stocks did you trade this morning? Jofi Young. I'll show you. I'll show you. I traded. Why does it do that? I gotta unpin it and pin it. So I traded. Well, CM Riot right here. I was calling the break of $5. Break of 5. Got that little pullback there of 5. All the way to 540, which was my resistance. So I probably could have played this one a little bit more aggressive, but I was already at 500 on today, so I added an extra $80 there. My biggest win was CEAD. I traded all of this front side, so I think I started jumping in on the stock down here. Let me see if I can just show my trades. They get in my way sometimes, but I'll show them. There we go. So I started averaging in here. Bigger play was probably through this move right here. Looks like I took 1,500 shares there. And then got chopped out a little bit up here, so not much profit. So it looks like I made the majority on this move. CLVS was another nice winner. Kind of choppy in the morning. High pulls back. High barely a little bit pulls back. High barely a little bit pulls back. And then now we start opening up, right? So now that we started opening up, $2 was my psychological whole dollar resistance. So in this scenario, I took 2,500 shares on this pullback here, and I actually lost $100 on this trade. So on this ticker, my first trade, I was down 100. And then it starts opening up again, and whole dollar is right there. So at this point, I added 5,000 shares right below that $2, so I added 5,000 shares there. Instantly took out half at $2, so 199 there, and then rode the remaining up here. Looks like I was out a little too early before the big move there. So $78 there. I think I traded Labu a little bit. Got chopped out in the morning when I realized all the sellers here. I mean, look how many times we come into the level to the penny pullback, the level to the penny pullback, level to the penny pullback, level to the penny pullback. I said, I'm leaving the stock alone. I'm not trading this. So I left that one alone. So $35 profit there. And then I traded one more. BKSY. So BKSY, I made $100 up here at the beginning of market open, first 5 minutes. So nice green engulfing candle. $293 was there. That's what I'm looking for. Take that first micro pullback right there at 286. Break of 2.9, and then take it on the other side at 87.88. And that's it. That's all the trades I took. ADN curl. Sony was adding 30,000 shares on ADN down here. Sony had 30,000 shares down here. IMTE. Somebody called IMTE earlier as well, and I never looked at it. That's the stock that got destroyed that one day. This is the stock that got flushed like crazy that one day. You missed it? Let me show it to you guys. Look at that. $13 all the way down to $3 in one day. This was nasty. This was a nasty move. Look at this. I've never seen a sell-off that incredible. I'm getting hungry, guys. I am definitely getting hungry. Do you mainly go long, or is that just how they set up today? No, I mainly go long. taking your money to the bank. See y'all tomorrow. Thank you, Sniper Trace, for coming in here. Sniper Trace has been coming in here pretty consistently, and he is one that always posts his trades in the chat. Free trade plans, free everything, all for you guys right here. So he is the Green Goblin. That's his nickname. We call him the Green Goblin because he's always green and always making good money. So his trade plans always here. Breakouts mainly. Yeah, kind of breakouts. Market's been slow for breakouts recently, but yeah, that's usually my strategy. Going long on breakouts, finding where shorts are getting squeezed, and then attack them, put the pressure on them, and keep that momentum going high. Get rid of this show my trades because that just gets in my way. Looks like CEAD is going to be done for the day. Looks like CEAD is going to be done for the day. And it looks like I'm going to be done for the day too. I don't think I'm going to take more trades. I'm going to keep my $600 profit. Very consistent, right? Very, very consistent. Let me go back to my trade review for all of you guys that are new here. So month of June calendar. Let me go look at month of June. Month of June right here, looking at 3 red days only, right? So on the 3rd, the 13th, and 17th. Only 3 red days on month of June. Looking good so far. No trades yesterday. Market was closed. Still have 3 days left in this week, and then 4 days in next week. In at 501 average. What is that on? CMRA? CMRA? It's the only one I can think of at $5. Undress. Okay, so you bought that dip on CMRA. Nice. Right here. I'm not gonna say that, Sony, and definitely not up as much as you. Let me see. Not as much as you guys think, but let me see something. Yeah, consistent green days, and my average, my winning percentage is pretty good. So my average daily win is 500 on the year, and I have a 73.3% win rate this year. So average daily win 512.62, 73.3% win rate, 26.7% losing days. So I definitely do have a pretty high winning rate. So here's all time, 73.2 all time. It was 73.3 this year, but this is all time, and then all time is $800 average a day. Sony, did you see that ADN curl back up? You had it, right? You had that ADN average right here at that VWAP. You had 30,000 shares. Look at that right there. You had 30,000 shares in that area, right? Am I right or am I wrong, Sony? How long have I been trading? It's going to be 3 years here in August, September, somewhere around there. I'm not sure. I always lose track. So 3 years, 3 years. Not a lot of time, guys. 3 years goes by fast. Put your effort into trading, learn it, all that stuff, and you can definitely make some money. Did you originally learn from Deck? No, I did not. I found Deck a little later on. Actually, I found Deck literally like a couple months ago when I first found out about him. I never really knew about him until TikTok, until I started posting my TikToks, and then I saw that. Let's see. Oh, thanks for that, Jesperanza. I forgot I had that bio. I feel like not a lot of people see that bio. I don't even see that bio because everybody just goes straight to the lobby. So, but thank you. Yeah. So yeah, almost 3 years. And I gotta change that. I gotta change that. I'm not 23 years old no more. Today, actually, I don't know what time I was born. How can we improve our trading? the the most important thing, my win rate for the month went from 60 to 40. The most important thing on trading is being selective about your trades. You guys see me here every morning and you guys call out 50 stocks for me to watch, for me to trade. CMRA, good example, right? CMRA, all in this choppiness, right? All in this choppiness. Fake breakout of 5, didn't hold 5. All of this choppiness. I said, I'm not trading the stock until I get above $5. Once, bro, 2 to 3 years more, you're going to be hitting millions. Hopefully, man. I got to find a new broker for me to do that, though, because I trade really quick, and Thinkorswim is just not going to handle this quickness and my quick fingers. I'm too fast for Thinkorswim. Um, right here, right? Being more selective about your trades and being patient to get your trades. So, uh, CMRA, we had all this choppiness. Yeah, you could be buying dips down here at that VWAP dip there, maybe in here, maybe break a downtrend there. But I said I'm not going to trade the stock until I get a break of 5, and we hold 5. So we get a break of 5, I jump in at $83, right? So CEAD, all of this choppiness here. I did jump in on a few today, but I'm not playing this side aggressive. I'm playing the front side aggressive. I'm playing, waiting for this break of downtrend right here, and then taking that trade there, waiting for that psychological and playing it aggressive. Same thing with CLVS, right? So I left CLVS all of this alone, right? I know that this is choppy. I know that CLVS is barely breaking highs. I know that it's barely breaking highs. So am I going to trade a choppy stock? No, I'm going to wait for the stock to open up, to start squeezing sellers, and then I play it aggressively. And then I know I can make that 70% win rate. Let me see what my actual win rate on every trade is. Not even the winning rates, because that's 73.3% win rate. Today, I thought it'd give me the stats. I don't know how it's I don't know how it's calculating. Yeah, so I'm gonna be very patient, right? So I see this, you hit a high, hit a higher high barely, right? It's not opening up. Same thing here, a higher high barely. I'm not gonna take trades in there. Look at this. Look at this. Did I leave all of that alone? I did. Why? Because it's choppy. It's not opening up. I'm gonna wait for this move. Look at LABU. Look at LABU. I jump in right away on the stock, right? So I haven't seen all of this yet. I've seen this. So I jump in here and I get chopped up. Then we hit a high, tipped it to the penny. Then we hit another high, tipped it one high penny, a high of a 1 new penny. At this point, I'm like, do you go live for market open? I do, yes, I do. So at this point, I'm like, is this stock one that's going to take off out of nowhere? Probably not, right? So probably not. So I'm going to not trade the stock and get out of this choppiness. And look at this. No more trades. Why? Because I know that if I start taking trades in here, I'm going to get chopped up. I already got chopped up here barely. I think I was down and then I barely made back a little bit. So I'm patient and I'm picky on my trades. No trades there. Once I start opening it, maybe you could start taking trades through this, right? So now that sellers are out, you squeeze them out of here. Now you could take a trade up here, maybe at this right here. Oh frick. So I think consistency in picking your trades and being selective is going to be the most important thing. Because that's really what's going to feel you comfortable with taking those high probability trades and then giving you that consistency where right now I lose more than I make. I lose more. My red days are bigger than than my green days. But I know that I'm confident that I will have 3 or 4 or 5 green days for every one red day. And I'm okay with that. So there can be so many fake outs. Yeah, Zach, I understand that too. Which is why right now I love saying wait for the confirmation, right? So what do I mean by confirmation? What do I mean by confirmation? Where's a good example of one? Somebody had a good one earlier. Right here, Reb. I love confirmations, right? You have a flat top of a certain resistance, and usually they're going to be right under psychologicals, right? Look at this 5-4-5 right here, right? Look at that 4-5 level right there. Psychological number. But look at this triple top right here. Am I going to take trades there? Maybe not. Am I going to take a trade here? Maybe, but I don't know if this is actually going to curl back up when this is actually going to just flush kind of like here, right? But once I get this first candle right here to close above my resistance, above this resistance right there, then I could take a next pullback, a next micro pullback right here and chase that move. Why? Because now I have the confirmation that we've actually taken these sellers out of this resistance. 4-5 is next, and then look at that big squeeze through 4-5, and then almost to 478. So that trade right there would have played out very nice. I think I might have taken my very first trade similar to that. Was that this one? No, was that BKSY? Yeah, kind of like here, right? So BKSY pre-market high is the 2.8, right? So 2.8. Now look at this first candle right here. Did it get up to 2.8? No, it didn't even come close to 2.8, right? It pulled up and pulled back. No trades there. I could chase this move right here, but I don't know that 2.8 is going to hold. I don't know if this is actually going to fail there. But now I get a clean move through 2.8. That's my resistance right there, 2.8. I wait for that candle to close above it, and then I get on that next micro pullback right there, and then take profit up top. I did that on this play right here and made $110. Quick, easy scalps. Yeah, accuracy is key. Something I'm really working on lately. So I really do think being selective about your trades, because then that also is not going to impact your. Do I read? Yeah, I use volume. Yeah, and you can tell. I used Tesla cracked down a bit. It was scaring me for a minute. Oh, I'm still holding my put. I'm chilling. I'm still holding my put on Tesla. Up on the green side again. I do use volume. I use time and sales a lot. Level 2 is good, but I use time and sales when we get to those levels and seeing if it just flashes green, right? If it flashes green, I know a lot of buyers are coming in. Obviously, you can have the problem of it flashing green and not moving at all, and then that's telling me that a lot of sellers are just absorbing all of those buy orders. But even that, a lot of the times when I trade those moves, oh, even this. Look at this. CMRA, right? I told you guys right here, the move through $5 and never held $5. Look at this, $5. No confirmations, no trade, right? I'm not taking a trade here. And I even said, watch this volume die off, and then not until we get above $5 again will we get another volume increase, right? Right here, and look at that volume increase. This is just how it is. It's always going to be like that. You get a nice move, you get a nice move up, you get a nice volume. You consolidate, volume dies off, and then next time you get a nice move, you also get a nice move with volume. You also get a nice move with the stocks. Tesla cracked down a bit. It was scaring me for a bit. Jesse, you're still holding your put? You still holding your put? CMRA is the lotto. Vic, it also depends. I have a lot more luck in the first 30, 40 minutes as well. It's usually when the cleaner move happen. That's usually when you get like, I mean, you could see, for example, Labu, I traded in the first 5, 10 minutes. BKSY, I traded in the first 5, 10 minutes. CLVS, this one happened later on. I left this move alone and then finally got the squeeze there. So a little bit later on. And then CAD, again, the first 30 minutes, I was still trading this one right there. Well, Sony, if you're still in here, appreciate you. I mean, not appreciate you. Good thing you never bought those 30,000 shares. You would have stopped at a break even now. Trace, do you have any filters on your trade ideas scanners? I found my laptop was very laggy until I added a filter of 20 maximum stock value, which reduces the number of tickers it's monitoring. Yes, I do. I do have. So my momentum scanner, which is this one right here, if I go configure, I think I have it up to I think I had up to 30. So Windows specifics right there, up to 30. So $1 to $30. So I do. Labu is a leveraged ETF. It is, yeah. I didn't know about that either, but yeah, it is. And it's pretty sold off too. It used to be $67 and now it's at $6. That's crazy. Look at Tesla pull back. I might have jumped in a little too early on Tesla, but look at this, guys. So remember I set this trend line up here, right? Right up here. Look how it held perfectly. Up here, look at this. Where did I draw that trend line from? It's the one on top. 90 days, 5 minutes. Here it is. Top of that trend line right there. If I go back, look at the top of the trend line. Here, let me delete this one so you guys don't get confused. Right there. Point 1. First touch right there. And then point 2. Second touch right there. If I don't know where that third touch is, I would draw it from here to there and extend it out. And then look where that lines up. Look where that lines up. Look where that lines up. Perfectly where we turned around today. Right there. I mean, on a stock that's up $100 or $68 today. Up on a stock that's up $68 today. It went to 728 and my resistance was at 728.07 and it hit 728.47. So a stock that's up $68. My trend line was off by 40 cents. It does not get better than that, guys. A stock that's up $68. A stock that's up 8%, 8.8%, and my trend line that I drew is less than 40 cents away from it. Look how accurate this is right here. Oh, actually, you know what? Let me redo this. Let me bump this up to the top of that wick right there, perfectly on that wick, and then move this down to that wick perfectly. All right, there we go. There we go. If I would have drawn it perfectly accurate, let's see where it lined up. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. 728.5 and my trend line's at 728.19. Let's just call it 2. That's 30 cents. Within 30 cents. Within 30 cents. Within 30 cents of that trend line. And even better, you could do this. Well, this is a 5 minutes, so it's not going to be as clean. But you wait for this break of downtrend, right? Now you've identified that you might have a turnaround at that resistance, and now you've identified your entry. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much did you learn from Ross Cameron? I'm not promoting Ross Cameron, guys. I swear. Please don't tell Deck, because I can't promote anybody else on this stream. What? I didn't say anything. I really didn't say anything. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Now, I never bought his course. I never did anything. I mean, I just watch his recaps. I see what he trades every day. And today, he'll post his recap. He'll post his recap today, and I'm going to go look at it and see, hey, did we trade the same moves? Did him and I get in the same moves, right? And most of the times we are, but now he's only trading pre-market, so he's going to trade a lot in the pre-market and leave this alone. So I'll leave that. But it's the same style. I trade just like him. So Sean is good. I mean, Deck, I'll call him Deck, sorry. Deck is very good at finding trend lines, so he's very good at finding the bigger moves. So, for example, Tesla here, he may not have seen that top resistance trend line up there, but he definitely would have seen this and said, okay, maybe this is a break of that downtrend, uptrend right there. Just get on that play right there and then start shorting it down. And he's very good about finding those plays, finding those longer time frames. When I started learning, I found the smaller low cap stocks and traded quick momentum, quick breakouts. So I got good at those, and that's what I just got used to trading, right? So moves like this. Now this becomes obvious right here. What's the resistance right here of CMRA, right? 5.4. What is my next trade gonna be? Break a 5.4, start holding 5.4, and then see if we can get a nice move back up. I have so many family members trying to call me right now and tell me happy birthday. I haven't replied to anybody. Fingers crossed. Happy birthday, Juan. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Labu is a leveraged ETF. Okay, right. Nice work. Let's see if 717 holds. Are you looking on Tesla? Oh yeah, 17. But now, if you look at Tesla now I'm going the other direction, right? So this was our uptrend right here. Let's look at it a little bit cleaner. Let's look at it a little bit cleaner, right? So right here, this is our uptrend from the point of these down here. Hits, it comes close there. Hits all these, and then finally you get under it, right? So now I connect these two periods right there, these two candles up here, and then draw a resistance downtrend now. So now this is going the other direction, back down, and then now it pulled up to that level. It's tucked underneath the EMAs now, SMAs or whatever I have, and now I want to see it pull back. I want to see if this stock gets down to VWAP or something like that. I might just get out of my put and then call it a day and see what happens. So I think I am green on it now. I don't know how much, probably not much. 40 bucks. I actually jumped in a little bit early. I jumped in up here. So I got in a little bit early. I will say that I was 30 cents off. Oh crap. I just realized if I look at the 2-minute, look, that trend line actually came even closer to it. I was looking at that 0.5 up there, but actually came closer to it. Look at that. That is crazy. Now Tesla could keep moving up, so it could turn around and then get right back up here. Get right back up here, hold this leg there, hold that resistance, and then make another nice move. So it could do that. If it does that, I'll stop out and call it a losing trade. But for now, I'm seeing it this trend line right here holds and then catches back down to VWAP. But you're right, 717 is that level that is trying to hold. So I do want to see if we get a nice break of 717 to the downside. Trading overpowers replying to family. No, I gotta call them all back pretty soon. It was my mom, my dad, my grandma called me earlier, some friends. But yeah, as far as the low cap stocks, pretty good day, $600 profit today. Let me unfilter this. $600.94 to be exact. $600.94 to be exact. So, what's your guys' favorite restaurant? Everybody, I need to hear everybody's favorite restaurants. I need ideas. I need ideas for tonight's dinner. I need everybody's Rev broke 450. So Rev looks more like a short to me now. Look at that range box. The same thing that I was identifying the five. Oh, look at Rev. Oh, never mind. I thought you said it broke to the downside. Oh, I was looking at CMRA on the other stock. I was looking at CMRA thinking it was Reb. I got confused. Sorry. 478 is Reb's high. Reb is trying to make a nice squeeze to 478, and then $5 would be the next target. But this candle's got to hold its move, man. This candle has to come up and hold its move. Look, if you see a big spike and that candle tucks below at the bottom quarter, bottom half of that, yeah. What happened to swim charts? I haven't had any problems today. Well, except the second I buy. The second I buy, bro, everything freezes. It's ridiculous. I'm saying, what's your guys' favorite restaurant? What's your guys' favorite restaurant? And I'm simple. Chili's, Outback, Olive Garden, Texas Roadhouse. Never been, but looks good as heck. You've never been to Texas Roadhouse? Texas Roadhouse is probably one of my top stock. One of my, one of my top stocks. What the? Top restaurants. Buffalo Wild Wings. Okay, okay. Texas Roadhouse bun slap. Yep, that's the only thing that I hate, and I've said this before about Texas Roadhouse, is they don't have a queso dip, man. They have to have queso dip. I said the hair. I said hard eight. Never heard of that. Never heard of hard eight. Never heard of hard eight. Olive Garden is somehow two of you guys said Olive Garden. I like Olive Garden. Olive Garden's good. I don't know that I would put it as my top 3 or 4 restaurants, but I like Olive Garden. Chili's, I like Chili's. We like Chili's. It's okay for chain barbecue. We like Chili's a lot. My wife and I eat Chili's a lot because they have that nice cookie dessert there, the cookie skillet, and we like that. So we get that a lot. And then they do have a queso there because we both love queso, so we eat a lot of queso everywhere we go. So Chili's has some queso, and we like that one. I need Tesla to crack 717. If Tesla cracks 717, I will see a very nice flush. I need Tesla to pull back to below 717. So, Reb, I meant to talk about CMRA earlier when I said that range. So right here, I was looking at the range of here of CMRA. 5.4 was my high up here, and then the low was 4.99. So that $5. So we're in this range, right? And I said if we get a break of 5.4 to the top side and hold it, then you could take a long. But instead of that happening, it got the break on the downside and then flush down. Red Lobster. I love seafood. I love seafood. So Red Lobster, and I will say Red Lobster has some pretty good bread too. They have that cheesy whatever it is bread. I love theirs, but I haven't been to Red Lobster in a long time. Reb is still holding this move, so keep watching Reb. I need Tesla to crack down, man. Just crack down and give me like a $200, $300 put, and then I'll get out of it. Reb hitting up to new high. I live in Texas. Texas. I have no idea what that is, man. I don't know what you're saying. Yeah, that's why I want that crack right there. I want Tesla to crack that 718. If I crack the 718 level on Tesla here, we might get a pretty good flush down to even 700 is possible. VWAP at 706. It just needs to crack. There we go. There we go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going, Tesla. Keep it going, Tesla. Keep it going, Tesla. Keep it going, Tesla. My put is up $90 right now. Texas Road has there's no other option. Never been so happy. You know what? One thing I'm completely shocked that I had no idea is that Texas Roadhouse actually exists out of Texas. I had no idea. I legit thought Texas Roadhouse was just a Texas thing. I had no idea that they actually had Texas Roadhouse in like Florida and other places like that. Alex Gasca over on YouTube. Gasca here. How's your day so far, Juancho? Been out of the chat and streamed today. Hey, no problem, man. I'm doing good. Up $600 on the day with day trading, and then currently in on a Tesla put that I bought up here. I was a little early on it. Agaska, what is your favorite restaurant, man? What is your favorite restaurant? I need some ideas to go out for my birthday today. You all got like a Benihana's. Darth Trader, I have no idea what restaurants you're talking about, dude. You're saying Benihana's and teppanyaki? Does anybody know what he's talking about? Or do I look dumb not knowing what those things are? Do I look dumb for not knowing what he's talking about? Happy birthday, Juancho. Thank you. Oh, I'm on a 2 minute too. What the heck? I didn't realize I was on a 2 minute chart. It's Japanese food scene. Alright, don't make fun of me, guys. Feliz cumpleaños. Que los cumpla feliz. Que los vuelva a cumplir. Gracias, gracias, Alex. Benny fucking Han. Hasta el año 3000. Oh, like that kind of restaurant. Oh, I'm sure they do, but I also live in a small town, so I gotta check this link. I gotta check this link. I gotta update on some culture real quick. Okay, that looks delicious. I do live in a smaller town, so there's not that many big places. Probably like this here. Hi, kitty cat. Come up. Yeah, hibachi places are fun. Yeah. Um, there is a melting pot that I'm gonna go eat. Not this weekend, but I think next weekend I'm gonna go eat at a melting pot. So that's the one where they have the thing there, and then you cook your own food and stuff and dip it in and all that. Hi, Stormy. So Tesla's not pulling back as much, so I might just get out of this put. Sup $80. Or you know what I'll do? I'm gonna play YOLO on Tesla. I'm gonna do a stop at break even and just let it sit there. What did I buy it at though? 2280. Wait. Alright, so I just put a stop on my Tesla, but if I get stopped out, I'll make a little bit of money, but it didn't flush down like I wanted to. It might actually keep flushing, but I'm not going to risk it with a put like that. I read the move right, just got in a little too early. Alright, Benihana's the shiz. Don't know how to spell it. I think you spell it right. That's how everybody's spelling it over on Tradecaster. Relentless Trader, yo, stopping by to say happy birthday day, bro. Hey, appreciate it, Relentless Trader. Appreciate it, RT. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Definitely having a green day for my birthday, so I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I also have a Tesla put running right now, so I put a stop loss above break even and just letting it play out. See if it makes me some money. So currently still holding it right there, up $90 on it, but I put a stop loss there and see if I get a nice fade down to VWAP. If I do, I'll call it a trade. But yeah, green day today for my birthday, so it's pretty good, pretty good. Dark Trader, good for birthdays and stuff, bro. Nice little show. Yeah, yeah. I know what you're talking about now. I know what you're talking about. I think Tesla will continue up. Usually, when the trend is strong in a direction, it will continue in that direction for the entire day. I think Tesla is having a pullback and not a reversal. You're probably right. You're probably right. But I'm gonna protect myself. I was just trying to get a quick scalp of that top, and honestly, I mean, I nailed it to almost a penny. So I just got in a little early on my play, but my trend line was there to the penny, and it held. So definitely would have been a good play. And I mean, still holding it up $100 now on the put. So add another $100 to my 600 today, and definitely looks good. Let's see. Benihana would be my birthday choice. Drink some hot steak with food. Dang, everybody loves Benihana. I don't know. I think Chili's is up there for today. I think Roadhouse is up there for today. There's a small little Mexican restaurant around here that I like that's up there for today. Um, Tesla crack, Tesla crack, Tesla crack. Keep pulling back. RDBX made $60 on VWAP. Dang, I feel like we were done with RDBX. I feel like RDBX was done. I don't think I even have it on my watch list anymore. RDBX. Oh, I do have it. Be careful on this one, low volume, so just be careful on it. You might not get a clean move. You may not get clean breakouts because you're still struggling with volume. How much did I pay for that Tesla put? 2,200. That's pretty expensive. But I do want to try to find more swing plays like kind of like that, or find the bottoms or the peaks of certain plays, and that way you guys with maybe smaller accounts can get in some options as well, or just buy some shares and see if we can get some nice swing plays as well. So I didn't used to do that because I obviously was on working my job, but now that I have more free time, I've been able to take a look at more swing plays and see if I can get some nice trades. And I mean, this one, look at that trend line. This is the trend line that I had. It popped up to 250, but pulled back down and tucked below it. And this would have been a nice adder right here. That trend line at the top, and then the break of this uptrend. That would have been a very beautiful trade right there. That would have been the perfect place to go in. Dawn has more downside than upside. Let's look at it. I'm a terrible guy. I'm a terrible trader when it comes to news. I don't look at any news at all, which is probably bad, and you guys know. But now with the help of you guys, I've been getting some more news. But if they had an offering and it got closed, then yeah, maybe you might be looking at a lower move. And this stock, when it was breaking highs on this day over here, it was so weak, and it was breaking highs, and it was just so weak. So no continuation over here. It looks like you have a strong support at $15 as well. Look at all these spikes right here at $15, and then you actually recovered there and then pulled back down. You need to pull back down at $15 and break that support. So it looks like I got stopped out of that Tesla put. They made like 30 or 40 bucks on it. So did not work out. I was a little too early on it, which cost it a little bit of profit on that one up here. So I was early on it because I bought it up here. The perfect trade would have been up here. And then definitely would have gotten a nice move. So out of that Tesla put, oh well. OFP, do you have the offering info? I was looking at the same play, was looking for entry at 1540. Oh, that didn't send us a link. Oh, you can probably copy and paste it, I think. Oh, no, you deleted it. Never mind, never mind, never mind. So, why did I get out of that Tesla put? Because now we broke that downtrend. So, downtrend break here. Now we might be looking at an uptrend, right? So, now you're going to be trading up here. I don't even know that it's going to... I usually don't include my option plays on my day trading, but let me see if it shows it. And then I'll just probably delete it because all the stuff that goes into trader views are actually day trading. Juan, possible dip buy on ACAD. ACAD at for a quick scalp. Oh, this stock got destroyed today. This stock got destroyed today. Loading a ton GMVD quick scalp. Are you trying to hold the $1? That other one, it just got rejected a lot, so I'm kind of scared to get on that one on ACAD. But this one's still up here, GMDV, trying to hold the $1. So $1 is going to be very important on this stock right there. Dang, it's already 11 a.m. Holy crap. So it looks like I might probably head out for the rest of the day, guys. I don't think I'm going to trade anything else on the penny stocks, and I'm just going to enjoy my birthday. So actually, I still got to make some stuff for Coors. I want to get that out soon, which I think is looking pretty good, guys. I'm getting a lot done. So I think any plans for your birthday, Juan? Yeah, I'm going to go out to eat. So go out to eat. My wife actually had something pretty important today. It wasn't like out of nowhere. We knew that she had to do some stuff today, so she might not even be back for a while. But she'll be back in time for us to go to dinner, so we'll do that, and that'll be it. So 5 p.m. in the UK, lol. It's time for you to eat dinner. It's time for you to eat dinner and go to bed soon. Alright, guys, I think I'm going to call it a day. For everybody that was here, I did trade. Every single trade was live. I go 15 minutes before market open and made $694 profit today. Traded 4 stocks and made money on all 4 stocks. And that was pretty much it. So, just Ronsa, I do want to say thanks to everybody in here that said happy birthday. Thank you guys a lot. Thank you guys for coming in here consistently and for remembering my birthday as well. So thank you guys. Appreciate it. Take care, bro, and have a good B-Day, bro. Thank you, thank you. So, later, everybody. Thanks for coming in here. Working trades. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you, you as well. Everybody else on YouTube, RT, if you're still in here. Jesse, always been here. Rockling Trades. Alex, Isaiah, and then that one person that I do not know what your name is because it has a freaking symbol. Triad as well. Thank you, everybody. CryptoWire is probably off to work. Timothy, Jelly, Isaiah, Soldier, Beastie, all you guys, and then everybody else on Tradecaster as well. See you guys tomorrow. See you tomorrow, bro. Have a great day. Happy Taco Tuesday. Enjoy your B-Day, my friend. Thank you, guys. So, yeah, if you're still trading, be careful. Downsides later in the day, moves become less clean, less breakouts, and then you might not even find a good setup for the later today, so make sure you wait for tomorrow, and then you might take another good trade. So with that being said, guys, I will head out for the rest of the day. Enjoy my day, and you guys as well. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.